Hey there, friend. Have you ever had one of those days when you're not quite sure how you feel? Maybe you're not happy, you're not sad, you're just kind of in between. Or maybe you're having a hard time choosing something. Maybe you don't know what to wear, you don't know what game to play or who to sit with. That's okay. Everybody feels like that sometimes. Today, we're going to meet somebody who feels that way too. A very colorful little creature called the confused chameleon. Let's first start by getting cozy. You can sit or lay down wherever you feel the comfiest. Let your hands rest and gently close your eyes. And let's take a slow, deep breath in together and let it out of your mouth like a soft breeze. Let's do that one more time. Breathe in and slowly let it out. Now I want you to picture that you are in a beautiful rainforest. It's quiet, warm, and green all around. The birds are chirping softly and the leaves are gently swaying in the breeze. On a big, wide leaf, you see a little chameleon peeking out. This chameleon is special. It changes colors based on how it feels. But right now, it's having a tricky day. The colors are swirling all around, blue, green, yellow, purple, because this chameleon is feeling a little bit of everything. It's not quite sure what it wants or how it feels, and that's okay. You gently walk up and sit beside the chameleon. You let it know that you understand the feeling. You felt it too. The chameleon takes in a big deep breath with you, breathing in some calm and breathing out confusion. As you sit quietly together, the chameleon begins to settle. Its colors slow down and soften, maybe to a soft green or a light blue. Not because it knows exactly what it wants, but because it feels safe and calm with you nearby. I want you to think about it for a moment if you've ever felt like this chameleon. Unsure, maybe a little stuck or mixed up. You can take in a deep breath and notice where you feel that breath in your body. Is it in your chest? Do you feel it in your tummy? Or maybe up in your head? Now, imagine that part of you is changing color too, just like the chameleon. Just to show you how you feel. Maybe your color is swirly or fuzzy. Maybe it changes a little bit. Think about what color you feel like right now. Take another deep breath in and slowly let it out. You are learning that it's okay not to always have the answers. Sometimes just taking a pause and noticing how we feel can help us feel a little bit better. The chameleon looks at you and smiles with its big, bright eyes. It's not quite sure what it's feeling yet, but it knows it's not alone. You give it a little wave and it curls its tail and crawls onto a cozy branch to rest. You take one last breath in and out. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, gently stretch your arms, and you can even give yourself a little hug. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You did something pretty amazing today. You gave space to your feelings, even the confusing ones. And just like the chameleon, you're learning that it's okay not to have it all figured out. Thank you so much for joining me today on 5-Minute Meditations for Kids. If you liked meeting the confused chameleon, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a moment of mindfulness. You're doing such a great job learning all about your feelings, one breath at a time.